The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for TLT, and just a reminder that I do have a course sale running right now until Cyber Monday. So use the discount code Top Notch Chartist with the capital T to get 50% off my technical analysis course. So let's take a look at TLT. Well, basically we're just in a pullback state. We did have this nice little downtrend channel right here, and if I drag down the bottom trend line, it looks like it fits good right here. We had a little overshoot right here, which will eventually lead to a breakout on the opposite side, which we did get. So this is definitely an overshoot. And sometimes when we have an overshoot, this could mark a bottom. So just a reminder that we need to keep this in the back of our minds, that this could be a potential bottom, but we'll have to wait and see how this develops. So this is a small little uptrend working right now. If I connect the swings, you can see that we have this nice little uptrend channel working right now. It looks like prices are attempting to pull back to the 110-112 level, because that's where the breakout was. This was previous support right here, and then we broke it, and we have not come back to test it yet. So that's what it looks like prices are doing before deciding if it wants to continue lower or not. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Let's switch it over to the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart, and you can see the pullback state more clearer, where every time we get far away from this blue line, which is the 21 bar EMA, we pull back to it. It acts as a magnet. It works for bulls and the bears. So whenever we get too bullish, we pull back to it. Whenever we get too bearish or overextended, we pull back to it. So you see that this is also the same thing we're getting right now. So basically pulling back to the EMA, you can see that we're just going up towards that line. And again, we're very close to this line. Probably next week or the next couple of weeks we're going to be reaching it. So it does look like we're pulling back to that EMA. There is this breakout level that we have not tested, right around this 110-112 level, 110-112 level. So that's what it looks like prices are doing. It's basically just taking back all the profits from these short sellers. And if I connect the swings right here, this looks like this downtrend channel could possibly be in play. We did have a breakout side of it, so eventually we might go down to retest these lows, and there is a larger downtrend channel that's potentially also in play. So we're actually very close to breaking this downtrend channel, which I think we will. And from there we have to wait and see if this turns into a full-blown uptrend, meaning we bounce from the EMA. We should just break above it. We break above this horizontal line, and then do we start bouncing from it, creating support and higher highs, higher lows, or we're just going to come back to that breakout level, find resistance, maybe something like this, maybe a little double top, and then we start going lower. So that's what I think is going to play out. I think this is still a very bearish context. As of right now, with the candles on this chart, it's looking like we're going to find resistance at this horizontal line, this support, this previous support. Now it's probably going to be potential resistance at the 110-112 level. And then from there, we probably go down to retest the all-time lows. So basically, to me, this chart looking like a full-blown retracement, meaning 100% retracement from the highs to the lows. So it looks like it still wants to go lower before we start seeing a reversal. So still looking bearish, but in the short term, obviously, we're going up because we are in a pullback state, just like what happened 2 times in the past before, and a bunch of numerous times, obviously, throughout the entire chart. But this is just the most recent pullbacks towards that EMA. So we're very close to reaching the EMA. I think we're going to break it and reach the 110-112 level. Then from there, we should find resistance and then continue lower. Now, if we don't find resistance, then obviously this was probably the bottom. and there's a very good chance we could see a reversal out of here. So we'll have to wait and see, but this is looking like a V bottom reversal. When we go down really quick, we can go up pretty much the same speed back. So that's what it's looking right now. So we'll have to wait and see if this is the actual bottom. So it probably is not, just because the context is still down and this yellow downtrend channel is still in play, but it could be. But I think it's just a lower probability. But I'm looking for a resistance. I'm looking for price to find resistance at this 110, 112 level, and then continue lower to exceed the previous 52-week lows, and then reach the all-time lows right around the low 80s. So that's everything I have for TLT this week, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised or what you learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.